Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a team in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to community right here. And after that, in here, it's going to ask you if you wanted to join a community yourself, or if you wanted to create one yourself. You can simply press on create my own. And after that, you got to give it a name. And then you press on create. And after that, you have to invite people to your team. You can simply press on invite members right here. And you can invite either by name or the email or the phone number. So you can simply press on the person that you wanted to add, search up their name or the email, and then you press on it. And then you press on invite, just like that. And you have another way is to share the link for the invitation. You can simply press on here. And after that, you press on copy. And after that, you might want to add some new channels. If you guys are working on a new project or like a new subject, you can basically press on add channel, and then you can just add the name of the channel. Let's say, for example, after that you press on add, and that's it. This is how you do it. And if you want to edit the photo of your team, you can simply press on here, and after that you can press on edit community, and then you press on edit, and then you can simply upload the photo that you want in here, and then you just press on save. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.